Mag-wine lang ako and then punta na ako kay mom. Kailangan mama! Wow!
Bukod sa childhood Christmases ko, yung kumpleto yung mga anak ko. Kasi first time si Casey mag-Christmas sa papa niya this year. So, first time sa tanang buhay ko at tanang buhay niya. Hindi ko siya kasama.
That one and the big one.
Apat ang anak ko eh. No, kasi first time naman nila. So, it's
Siyempre,
okay.
tsaka ate yun, pangalan yun.
Yeah.
You have this weird bond with your firstborn.
Yes.
It's different.
Tampuhan sila magkakapatid. Wish ko, paano ba maging ako na yung
Nanay.
mommy.
Oo.
So, parang siya yung
Nagturo
Oo,
sa'yo.
oo, ganun.
Oo.
Parang,
How to be a mom. It's your
tsaka may
first
mga tampu-tampuhan sila magkakapatid. Wish ko maayos naman bago ako mamatay.
Ay, oo naman ate. Oo naman ate. I mean, oo, maaayos din yan.
Natural, normal naman.
This is reminding me. Now it's gonna remind me. Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, can I see? We love that. We love that. I have that. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't waste the ribbon. Ah. It's no. I saved the ribbons. Okay.
Mom, you didn't have to get me anything.
I know, but did you read the card? Okay.
It's the first
You want to close your eyes?
Yeah, give me a clue.
It's really, yeah, and it does everything. Okay, go, open.
Oh my god. Wait, it does everything?
It does everything.
Oh my god, okay, ready?
I love it. I have that.
Because I've been cooking a lot. And I have people to cook for now.
Mama, Ate Juday has that. I have that.
My. Ready?
Open.
Oh my god, Mom!
It's an air fryer, an oven, and it's everything.
But this is amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome. Open this one also.
It's a big
You're a big girl. This one open. Mama wrote all that. Where the purple? Because you're leaving. I know, but so you don't waste time and you're always late kasi. So you can dye on for the hair. I have also.
Oh my god.
Yes, the three of you, my three girls have. That's the new one, Lovey. The new one that does everything.
I need it.
I know, all of us have purple.
Thank you so much.
Look at that. It does everything. Yeah, you're welcome.
You come on,
Happy? Are you happy?
so upset.
I love you so much too.
So much. Because I know how
Oh.
and I'm like,
Okay.
Noche Buena dinner, and then after this, mag-wine lang ako, and then punta na ako kay mom.